If you're already familiar with SAP Joule, you probably appreciate it as this absolutely incredible AI co-pilot. It's essentially a brilliant colleague who just gets your business systems inside and out, constantly helping to streamline your daily operations. But what if you could take that brilliant colleague and actually expand their intelligence? Give them your own, completely customized capabilities. Well, that is exactly what we're going to unpack in today's explainer.
Okay, let's dive into this. If SAP Joule is your brilliant colleague, then Joule Studio, it's your personal workshop. This is the place where you get to craft highly specialized tools and literally train your own advanced problem-solving assistants to work seamlessly alongside that colleague. Think of it like building your ultimate, totally customized AI team, a team that's specifically tailored to the exact challenges and opportunities that are completely unique to your organization. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with a welcome to Joule Studio, then break down skills versus AI agents. After that, we'll look at the power of integration, explore some real-world business applications, check out visual drag-and-drop development, and finally, wrap up with a future of work. All right, jumping right into Section 1, welcome to Joule Studio, your AI workshop. So Joule Studio is this really innovative capability built right into SAP Build, sitting on top of the broader generative AI architecture on SAP BTP. And what makes it such a game changer is that it brings drag-and-drop simplicity straight to the front lines of enterprise AI development. The core promise here is huge, allowing you to build powerful, custom AI automations without needing any extensive programming knowledge. Seriously, developers can create incredibly unique business workflows without writing endless lines of code. To pull this off, Joule Studio lets you build two very distinct types of intelligent solutions. And honestly, knowing the difference between these two, that's the absolute secret to mastering this entire tool. Which brings us to Section 2, Skills versus AI Agents, the core distinction. This right here is arguably the most crucial architectural decision you're going to make in Joule Studio. You have to know exactly when your process needs a skill and when you actually need an agent. So the crucial point is understanding what a Joule skill really is. Think of skills as specialized task handlers. They operate like these incredibly meticulous assistants who follow a detailed checklist with perfect consistency. You know, the kind of colleague who actually loves doing the routine paperwork. Skills are your absolute go-to for predictable, repeatable tasks where you know the exact sequence of actions. If you need to, say, pull weather conditions before approving a shipment, or maybe retrieve employee data across a bunch of different systems for a standard report, you want to build a skill. It's going to follow that exact same logical path every single time without fail. On the flip side, custom AI agents are a totally different ballgame. These act much more like strategic consultants. They're built to analyze complex situations, gather info from multiple sources, and actually develop adaptive solutions. Unlike skills, agents handle those messy, multivariable problems where the path forward isn't super obvious and you really need intelligent, adaptive reasoning. Imagine having to evaluate recruitment candidates against shifting role requirements and team dynamics, or optimizing massive delivery routes based on constantly changing real-time variables. That is pure agent territory. And this brilliantly illustrates the showdown, right? On one side, you have the meticulous assistant, your Joule skills, highly predictable, step-by-step execution. On the other, the experienced consultant, your AI agents, adaptive and ready to reason through real-time variables. It's definitely not about one being better than the other. It's just about deploying the exact right digital teammate for the job at hand. Let's move on to Section 3, the power of integration, the underlying engine. Now, you might be asking yourself, why should I build this inside the SAP ecosystem instead of just spinning up some standalone disconnected AI tool? Well, developers lose countless hours just trying to securely connect external AIs to internal data. It's a massive headache. Joule Studio sidesteps that entirely using three main pillars. First up, business data and process grounding. Your agents and skills directly tap into the SAP Knowledge Graph using retrieval augmented generation. That means they actually understand your specific business context, processes, and data. Second, it's an open and extensible framework. You can easily connect to third-party APIs like external weather systems or supplier software, meaning your AI works seamlessly across your entire tech landscape. And third, security and compliance by design. You get built-in data masking right out of the gate, giving you full visibility into how agents make decisions while keeping everything totally compliant. All right, Section 4, Real-World Business Applications, Theory into Practice. To really picture how these digital teammates work together, let's look at an actual procurement scenario. Picture this. Your strategic AI agent is out there analyzing supplier risk across multiple data sources and actually negotiating terms based on current market conditions. At the exact same time, it delegates all the routine, repetitive stuff to the Joule skill. The skill meticulously pulls compliance reports for specific vendors and generates standard request forms. It's a perfect partnership. The agent handles the high-level orchestration while the skill flawlessly executes the paperwork. Or let's talk supply chain optimization. Imagine a dynamic logistics crisis. A massive storm is rolling in and everything is up in the air. The experienced consultant AI agent steps up to instantly optimize shipping routes by dynamically reasoning through real-time weather forecasts, carrier capacity, and cost. Concurrently, your meticulous assistant Joule skill jumps in, retrieves the exact new tracking info, and automatically fires off delivery notifications to the customer. Together, they tackle the strategic pivot and the essential operational communication without breaking a sweat.
Which leads us to Section 5, Visual Drag-and-Drop Development, Democratizing AI. Let's move to and see how this builds, because the best part is you really don't need a PhD in computer science to set this team up. All you need is an SAP Build developer license. The whole development process is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, you design everything visually using a super familiar drag-and-drop interface, defining your inputs, outputs, and agent goals. Step 2, you integrate your existing SAP process automation assets. So you're not starting from scratch, you're building directly on the automation investments you've already made. And step 3, this is absolutely huge. Before anything goes live, you can comprehensively test, simulate, and iterate in a rigorous testing environment right in the SAP Build lobby. You can literally watch your agents reason through problems and fine-tune their instructions on the fly.
And finally, Section 6, the future of work, humans plus AI. This brings us to the core takeaway of our explainer today. Joule Studio is way more than just adding some shiny new tool to your tech stack. It's giving you the exact capability to perfectly tailor AI to your unique operational context. So I want to pose this question directly to you. How will you build your perfect digital team to tackle your organization's most complex daily challenges? I really challenge you to think deeply about your specific workflows. Where is there a predictable bottleneck where a meticulous assistant skill could just step in and take over? Or where is there an incredibly messy, multivariable problem just waiting for a strategic consultant agent to analyze the data and add instant value? Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the vision it leaves us with. The future of work is not about humans versus AI. It's about humans working alongside AI to achieve outcomes that neither could accomplish alone. It truly is all about that human-AI synergy. By building these custom agents and skills, you are actively shaping that future for your organization right now. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I hope this sparked some absolutely incredible ideas, and I challenge you to go map out your very first custom agent today.
Subscribe our channel for explainer like this. Join Anubhav trainings for latest technical courses on Build, AI, Joule, BTP Wrap, BTP Cap. Thank you for watching.